Hi and welcome to this short video tutorial on how you can edit your user details. This is also where you can change your password and view your module access. So to begin, hovering your mouse over the Account Settings menu item at the top of the page will open up a sub-menu comprising of 3 options. First, your details, second, module access, and third, terms and conditions. The Your Details menu item will show your basic contact details and course-related information as shown in the example on screen. Click Update My Details to make changes to your user record. Please keep this information up to date as it's important for your university or organisation in terms of ensuring they can find your profile and assessment results easily. Make any necessary changes and click Update Changes to complete the action. Now only change your group allocation if asked to do so by your instructor or administrator. If you are not associated with the correct group, you will not be able to sit any assessments that have been scheduled for you. Now if you need to change your password, then first click on the Change My Password button. Next, enter your current password, then enter your new password, and enter your new password a second time to confirm. Now click on Change My Password to complete the action. Now moving on to module access. The module access menu item lists your safeMedicate modules and their expiration dates as shown in the example on screen. Your access to safeMedicate normally expires in line with the duration of your course. Now if your course duration has been extended for any reason, for example you may have taken a break in training, then you should contact your local safeMedicate administrator or instructor to extend your access. If you have completed your studies and want to extend access to your safeMedicate account, then you can make an in-app purchase of individual modules or the safeMedicate bundle that comprises all modules. Now use the list box associated with the modules you wish to purchase to select a time period. Click on Buy Now and you'll be taken to the secure PayPal payment screen to complete your purchase. Now you can choose to pay using your PayPal account or with any major debit or credit card. Now that's it for now, and again, thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial.